Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with ChristmasLightsTraining.com, Christmas Lights Community. Today I'm just going to show you, I talked about a star, and here's a star that we did that I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it. But what we did is, I'll see if I can get a better picture of it. We did a star, and we actually did 5 strands of C9 coming down. It actually looks pretty cool at night. It actually pops. We're right here on the Interstate 75, so you can actually see it very well at night, and it looks really cool. Basically, at this place, we have to do safety, which you should do safety everywhere, but we have to get tied off up on top of the roof. It is a flat roof with roof access, and they have an anchor there that we tie off, and then we put the cross up there, and we have a couple sandbags that hold that down there, and then it just drops down. And what we do down here is we just take the the stakes that hold into the bulb, and we just hook it in there, and then we want to kind of put it in on an angle so that way it can hold those out and away from the building. It is a pretty cool little deal, and we also do some trees and some shrubs and bushes, but this is how we put a star on top of a building. And like I said, please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate it very much. Thanks.